Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you sofa maintenance and care, a comprehensive guide. Number 1. Importance of regular cleaning. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain the appearance and longevity of your sofa. Dust, dirt, and stains can accumulate quickly, causing damage to the fabric, cushions, and the frame. By establishing a regular cleaning routine, you can prevent the buildup of dirt and stains, reducing the risk of damage, and extending the lifespan of your sofa. Here are some tips to clean your sofa. Number 1. Vacuum regularly. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner or upholstery attachment to remove dust and dirt from the sofa's surface. Pay particular attention to crevices and cushions. Number 2. Spot clean stains. Use a mild detergent and clean water to gently remove stains and spills. Avoid rubbing the stain as this can damage the fabric. Number 3. Use a fabric protector. Apply a fabric protector to the sofa's fabric to repel stains and spills. This can help prevent damage and make cleaning easier. Number 4. Avoid harsh chemicals. Never use harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or excessive water, as these can damage the fabric, cushions, or frame. Number 5. Test a small area first. Before using any cleaning solution, test a small inconspicuous area of the sofa to ensure the solution won't damage the fabric. Now, on to the deep cleaning and conditioning. For deeper cleaning, consider hiring a professional upholsterer or using a sofa cleaning service. They can provide a thorough cleaning and conditioning treatment, restoring the sofa's original appearance and texture. Dear friends, this was the first part of the video, how to take care of your sofas and to maintain them. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.